Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today I'm showing you another one of my collection. It's another Lima Class 31, this time in Regional Railways. It's Lima model 204845 and running number of 31421. So I'll pry this one out of the box. It's a bit tight and I'll show you what it looks like. So here we are again for a second hand one. It's still in good enough condition. Nothing that a little wheel clean couldn't do. And again, it's detailed enough. It's this one's named Wigan Pier. But yeah, I do quite like the Class 31s. But then again, it does seem as though any loco I get are saying to like the look of. But we'll see this one on the tracks. Again, typical Lima. Takes a bit of power to start it going. And a little bit juddery at slow speed, but it's not too bad, again, considering its age. And the blue does show up nicely on it as well. And again, we'll give her a bit of a run up. It still goes at a pretty good whack. So we'll go in for a closer look around. Oh, the finish on it does seem nice and crisp. And I hope you've enjoyed having a little look at this one. Exit curtain left.